Today we're going to be unboxing the BPL 101 in rust. This fixture is also available in black finish. This is a cast aluminum contractor grade unit. You will receive an 18-2 direct burial cord. You will also receive a standard 20-watt halogen bulb. This fixture is also compatible with LED. Also inside you will find a 1/2 inch NBT ground spike. To gain access to put the bulb inside of your fixture, simply hold the back of the shroud in the front while twisting it off, like so. Now taking your bulb, pressing it firmly into the socket, and now to reassemble with the same twisting motion.